I use also Lexa to explain larynx cell that is not available. Visual, the manual filling is from the front and not from the top. It's here. And also the bacteriological filter to save space is not here, but is here.
Is there any water sensor for this if the tank is full?
You have the water sensor in the back.
So there will be music when it's full?
Yeah,
Okay.
the music, the sound is the same, and you have also here Volt Max for the maximum level.
Okay.
When you cover max means that stop,
Okay.
but you have also the sound.
Okay.
This saving of the space is helpful, but you have to pay attention. You have to pay attention because every 400 cycle you have to change it. The battery
400 cycle.
400 cycle you have to change it. The device have a pop-up that say it's time to change. In general device. On Lexa is longer, but it's not a question of time. If you do not change, the risk is that the filter is clogged and is completely blocked. If it's not enter air during the drying via bacteriological filter, the sterilizer is not able to compensate the pressure. So you are not able to open the door. So if you do not change this,
So we can open the door.
no, it's possible to do.
We can
But-
break the door.
The one I think is 2 years never change.
Or 2 units.
I
400
know, I
cycle.
just-
No, 1 day, 2
Yeah.
times, 3 times.
If you in the other device is here, the bacteriological filter is here, as you can see here. It's out of the chamber. So if it's out of the chamber, I can remove and enter the air. It's not sterile the load, but I can open the door. In this case, will be a little bit tricky, so it's important in this case to change regularly, because otherwise you have to the unconnected device from the power supply, wait 2 hours, and
2
use
hours.
this one to open. But
Oh.
just if you do not change the bacteriological filter, and it's not necessary to change exactly the day after. But when you have the pop-up after the number of cycle permitted, every cycle ask. If you pass of 5 or 10 cycle, nothing happens. But if you start to pass 100, 200 cycle, the risk that the filter will be clogged is high. So pay attention on the maintenance, because they create a problem just because they do not maintain the device properly.
So is this also designed to take the multi-dam, or we must add the accessories? This one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This
ready.
one is not
It's
by
ready.
is not by default.
Mine,
Yeah,
no, I
you
need
can,
to add the
yeah,
outlet.
yeah, exactly.
Can we take like the pump for automatic water filling
Yes,
from Lina? We install.
the model is this. I think it's the same. The same ref code for the automatic water filling of Lexa, Lina, Lila. Can you check?
I can check immediately.
Because
For me, it's different.
Also for me. For me, it's the same from Lila to Lisa.
Okay.
Lexa is different, but we double check because to avoid to give you wrong information.
开这个door.
Oh.
And as you can notice, if you open Lila, please, the dimension of the chamber is larger,
Yeah.
2.5 centimeters larger, and a little bit thicker. In addition, can I have a tray?
Longer or wider?
More or less the same length of the tray, but it's larger. You have a bit more space also for the shape of the end of the chamber. Here you can turn. It's not,
Concave.
and this not. So for the big load, this is a very good solution. And this chamber is the same of larynx cell that we do not have here in the presented. The class B
Glass.
XL.
XL.
28 one.
The same chamber,
Oh, it's the same chamber.
different rack, but the same chamber.
So is this the max size that you're thinking of, or is there plan to go 6 feet?
The idea is we are working to increase the dimension to have additional sterilizer. What do you mean with a higher dimension?
Like
Because
60.
60 liters. Now we have planned for 38, 40 liters, and in the future maybe 100 liters. This is the two devices that we are working on.